guys, Candida here, and I ordered this 1-pound bag of the old-fashioned apple flavor bubble gum, and it was amazing. It was just like being a kid again. This was my favorite gum growing up. I love the apple flavor, and so I wanted my kids to know. So I ordered this bag, and we have had so much fun with it. You can see here I only have a few pieces left out of the 1-pound bag. My daughter has a candy claw machine, and so we were able to add some of this to her claw machine. It's Easter time now. I've been filling Easter eggs with the bubble gum, and it's been a lot of fun. What I also noticed was having the bag, I was able to put some out, and as people would walk by, everyone was coming by and grabbing a piece of gum. And so it's been just a great treat to have, and I've even heard other adults say, oh my gosh, this takes me back to my childhood. Not only does it have an amazing flavor, you can make bubbles as well. So, if you are an apple bubblegum fan, I hope that you give this one a try.